Hello everyone, and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can stop Spotify automatic payments. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in Spotify, and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here, as you can see guys, in the left side of your screen, you're gonna find all of the sections. Here you're gonna find the home section, search. Right here, you're gonna find your library. If you click on expand your library, from here you can see all of your playlists and also your albums. Here in the top right corner of your screen, you're gonna find your notifications, your friend activity, and here you're gonna find your profile icon. If you click on it right here, you can access to your account settings. You can go to your profile, upgrade to premium, start a private session. You can go to your settings, and lastly, right here, you can log out from your Spotify account. So right now, in order to stop automatic payments on Spotify, all you need to do, guys, is click on account, and then you're gonna be right here in this page in your browser. So once you're here, as you can see, guys, you're gonna find all of the settings related to your Spotify account. Right here, you're gonna find account, payments, security and privacy, and lastly, help. Go under payments. Right here, you're gonna find your order history, your saved payments cards, and lastly, the option to redeem a code. So once you're here, go ahead and click on saved payments cards and then remove your card from here. If you can't remove the card, that means that you are currently still subscribed to Spotify Premium. If you are, just go to the first option, manage your subscription. And then once you're here, you're going to find your current subscription and you can easily cancel it from here. Once you cancel it, go right here to save payments cards and remove your card. Then you won't be paying automatically. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.